In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit board permissions in Monday.com. If you're managing a team or collaborating on a project, understanding and controlling permissions is crucial to ensure that everyone has the right level of access to the board's content. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, start by opening the specific board you want to modify the permissions for. This would be the board where you feel you need to reassess who can view or edit the information. Once you have your board open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you will see an icon with 3 dots. It's sometimes referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking on this icon will reveal a list of board actions. Among the various options, you'll find one labeled Permissions. Go ahead and click on that. Doing so will bring up the Permissions window. This window is your centralized hub for viewing and modifying the permissions for each board member. Now, within the Permissions window, you'll notice a drop-down menu on the left panel of the screen. This menu is where you have the freedom to adjust the access levels according to your needs. You'll see 4 distinct options to choose from. The first option is Edit Everything, which, as the name suggests, allows members full access to make any changes on the board. This is useful for team leads or members who need comprehensive control over the board's content. The next option is Only Edit Content. This choice is handy when you want members to contribute or update information, but not alter the structure or settings of the board itself. Moving on to Only Edit Assigned Tasks. This restriction ensures that members can only modify tasks that are specifically assigned to them. It's perfect when you want each member to stay focused on their responsibilities without accidental changes to tasks not meant for them. Finally, there's the View and Comment option. Selecting this limits members to only view and provide comments on the board without having any editing rights. It's ideal for stakeholders or external collaborators who should be kept in the loop but don't need editing capabilities. Once you've thoughtfully selected the appropriate permission level that best fits your team's requirements, make sure to click on the Save button located in the bottom right corner of the window. This action will apply the new permission settings immediately, ensuring that your board operates just how you intend it to. And that's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully edited the board permissions in Monday.com, allowing you to better manage access and maintain control over your team's collaborative workspace.